Hello guys, welcome back to AutoZaf channel. Are you looking for a scooter that combines rugged adventure styling with everyday urban practicality? Meet the 2026 Honda ADV160, Honda's latest evolution in the adventure scooter segment. With a sleek redesign, smarter tech, and improved performance, the ADV160 offers just enough edge to keep things exciting, without compromising on comfort or convenience. At first glance, the ADV160 looks like a baby ADV bike that's ready to tackle both city traffic and dirt trails. It features aggressive bodywork, dual sport-inspired tires, and long travel suspension that hint at its adventure DNA. But don't be fooled. Underneath that tough exterior lies a refined, fuel-efficient 156.9 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled engine that delivers smooth power for daily commuting and weekend getaways alike. One of the standout features in the 2026 model is Honda's enhanced smart key system, which offers keyless ignition and added anti-theft security. The updated LCD display is now crisper and easier to read under sunlight, and the underseat storage is generous enough to fit a full-face helmet. For city riders, that means fewer compromises and more comfort, whether you're riding to work or to the beach. On the road, the ADV160 feels light and nimble. Thanks to its improved frame geometry and upgraded Showa suspension, it absorbs bumps and rough roads like a champ. The Honda Selectable Torque Control, HSTC, a feature typically reserved for larger bikes, comes standard, giving you added traction control in slippery conditions. This is a game changer for new riders and veterans alike. Fuel efficiency is another big win. The ADV160 offers an impressive 100+ mpg, miles per gallon, making it one of the most fuel-efficient scooters in its class. Combine that with a 2.1-gallon fuel tank, and you've got a scooter that can go the distance without frequent fuel stops. It's the perfect ride for eco-conscious commuters who don't want to sacrifice style or performance. Let's talk pricing. The 2026 Honda ADV160 comes in at around $4,499, which is a great value considering its premium features, Honda reliability, and adventure-ready design. It's slightly more expensive than some urban scooters, but for those who want more than just point A to point B, it's absolutely worth the upgrade. In conclusion, the 2026 Honda ADV160 is not just a scooter, it's a statement. It proves that adventure and urban commuting don't have to be separate worlds. Whether you're a first-time rider, an urban explorer, or just someone looking for a practical yet exciting daily ride, the ADV160 has a lot to offer. So, what do you think? Is this your next two-wheeled companion?